Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Mountain View Avenue, and today we're going to talk about the roads that are being upgraded in Jamaica. More specifically, this road should be on the list to be upgraded. This is a critical road. It takes you to the airport, it takes you to the National Stadium, it takes you through the city of Kingston. It's a major thoroughfare, and look at the state of the road. Now, the government is spending billions, billions to fix roads. These are not the highways now, these are the local government roads. Yet this road is not one to be fixed. No, the road is already 4 lanes. So to renovate this road is not going to be that expensive. It probably just needs paving over. There is no, and some drainage work has to be done because when it rains, the sections of this road get flooded. But it's minor. It's not like you have to move structures on the left or the right. So this road should have been given some priority to be fixed. Now, I'm not sure how they select these roads to be fixed. I would think the NWA, National Works Agency, they are in charge of the main roads. I'm not sure how they go about selecting the roads to be fixed. And okay, they have 3 major roadwork projects being done in Jamaica now. 3. You have a CapEx program where they're going to be spending a couple million to fix 6 roads. Now, this road should have been done under the CapEx program because it is a major thoroughfare. They're going to be changing, they're going to be upgrading Lady Musgrave Road and East Kings House Road from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. That is a major undertaking because you have to move structures, major undertaking. This road would have been so much easier to pave over this road. And this section it's 2 lanes. It would have to definitely go to 4 lanes here. And you see how people just park on the road. So 4 lanes definitely would be needed along with the concrete barricade. They're upgrading their Arthur Wint Drive. Now, I cannot imagine how Arthur Wint Drive gets priority over Mountain View Avenue. I can't imagine how East Kings House Road and Lady Musgrave Road get priority to be fixed over Mountain View Avenue. I just don't understand how they go about selecting the roads to be fixed. They are going to be expanding the bridge on Washington Boulevard. That one I can understand because Washington Boulevard has a lot more traffic on it than this road. Washington Boulevard takes you out of the city of Kingston towards Mandela Highway, and Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. So I can understand how that project to extend the bridge from 2 lanes to 3 lanes on Washington Boulevard could get priority over this road. But I don't understand East Kings House Road, Lady Musgrave Road, Arthur Wint Drive. This road has more traffic than those roads. This road takes you to the airport. This road takes you to downtown Kingston. So guys, leave your comments in the section below. How do you think they go about selecting these roads for the major road infrastructure projects? Now, you have the Spark program, and you have another program where the government is spending 40 billion to fix roads. Those go through parish council, NWA. I think each constituency is going to get 150 million. But from you hear the word constituency, you know that is local government, the municipalities. This road would be NWA, National Works Agency. So guys, leave your comments in the section below. How do you think they go about selecting these roads? And do you think Mountain View Avenue should get priority over, say, East Kings House Road in terms of being fixed first? We are now turning on to Windward Road, and this is a journey you would take to go to the airport. Alright, guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Have a good day.